So here's an inset mirror. Most of the time you either have to pocket screw from the backside or your face nail. This is a pre-finished one, ready to go into a wall. You've got a very short type of cabinet. So it's real easy. You take this, put it against here. We've got a block, a jig, if you will. Put it here, put it here. So now your bottom corner is lined up. Shoot it. Check it out here. Shoot it. Shoot it. And we'll put one more here. Okay. Then we'll just make sure it all lines up good here. Okay. So now it's ready, and let me show you just how small the little marks are made. Right here, 1, 2, 3 marks. It's just the size of a staple. It countersinks it in. There's no more work needed to be done. You can shoot it from either the inside or the outside, as you cannot see it anywhere. No marks on the face. The Blindstapler was designed to leave no marks in the face of the cabinet, meaning there's no more putty, Bondo, sanding multiple times to get a good looking finish. And as you know, if you build hardwood cabinets with clear coat, you always will see whatever putty marks are in them, no matter what. Of course, no one needs to tell you what a huge savings in time and labor this tool will bring. Smaller shops are reporting to me that not having to putty and sand the face frames, their labor savings are amounting to $22,000 to $24,000 per year. If you pre-finish the cabinetry, the savings in masking, cardboarding, taking large cabinets to the spray booth instead of just the parts that need to be finished, the savings in time and labor will be much more significant. And always, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not 100% satisfied. Thanks a lot.